Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Wednesday, May 6th. Have a great day.
Today is a day for.
Good morning, Unity students and parents. It is Wednesday morning. We are kind of getting into May, early part of May, but getting into mid-May. On May 22nd, Mr. Kitzrow said that is when we're going to stop teaching new content, and I'm not exactly sure if we're going to be putting other things up. But the most important part at that time is to catch up on any late work, because it's super important that we get, for some people, to make sure that they're going to be able to pass their classes. So that's going to be some time to do that after May 22nd. Also, on Fridays, Mr. Kitzrow said that is our catch-up day, and we will be catching up on any late work. And I've noticed a lot of people are trying to catch up right now, which is great. But one of the issues that people are having is with sometimes the videos, you're not able to see those. The district made some changes, and sometimes I don't think they figured that it would, but it affected some of our Shobi videos, the videos that we're having you watch. Whether that's our videos, I think those are okay, but the videos that we've connected to or we've linked to so that you can finish the assignments. If you are having trouble with those, please email us right away, not necessarily even in Shobi, because sometimes in Shobi we get these notifications where you have it, but we can get like hundreds of them at a time, and we try our best to be able to catch those, but sometimes they sneak through. So email us and say, hey, I can't get this video working or this one, and we'll see what we can do. We can adjust it, or we can reset it up or something like that. So let us know if you're having trouble seeing those videos. If you have been doing that, excellent, great job. And today in language arts class, you'll find the assignment in the science folder because it's a language arts and science connection. What we've been doing in science, which is the environmental issues and topics, you're using those to do an argumentative writing. And so you're using the topics, and we went over this yesterday, and Ms. Frady taught this on Monday also. You're using your topic, you're picking the topic, and then the content we've had either from the videos or some articles that I did put up there, and then you're making an argument and you're making the evidence. You find it in the science folder. Even though it's language arts and science, it's found in the science folder, and each day it is going to be in a section. I want to make sure I call it right. It's the science writing project assignment. So that's what it's called, and it's going to be similar each day, and you go through there. So it's not one each different day, but click on that. You will find the video. Like today, Miss Brady did a video explaining how to do it. The next section in it, very, very good video. She really put that together well. And there's directions in there, and then there's also your writing organizer, where you have like a template where you're able to write down. You have your claim. Yesterday you wrote down your claim. You wrote your topic and your claim, and today you're going to write down some arguments and maybe some evidence about those things. So you'll find that in there. Other than that, make sure you're catching up with this stuff. If you're caught up with stuff, then it'll be easy towards the end of the school year. We'll give you more information on what's going on for next year. You'll probably be getting emails from Mr. Kitzrow about that. Other than that, have a great day. See you later.